I am your balloon twister, Giordano the Great, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool looking butterfly. I'm going to be using a pink balloon. You can use whatever color you want, of course, you know that by now. Take your pump, and this time we're going to pump it all the way to the end. Maybe just leaving the tiniest little nub there to basically all the way though. We're going to pinch a little bit out, give it a little bit of air out to soften it up so it won't pop, and then we're going to give it a squeeze, run down the edge like that 2 or 3 times, and now it's basically right to the end there. So now what we're going to do is make the head and body of the butterfly. So first we're going to make about a 1.5 inch bubble right here, followed by, do it really well because we're going to do a pinch twist, a 1 inch pinch twist, then do a 1 inch bubble like that, turn it really well, bring it over and do a pinch twist. We're going to pull it out and twist like that. So now we've got something that looks like this, okay? Then we're going to bring the end, give it a squeeze again, and bring the end all the way around back to the end. And this time we're going to make the tail. So we're going to pinch a little bit of a bubble like that, twist it in like that, and just like that, now we have a butterfly looking body like that. Okay, so it's coming along. Then we're going to reach down for the bottom and grab the middle right here. We're going to bring the middle up, and then we're going to twist right at the middle just one time like that so it doesn't deform this too much. Then we're going to bring this around here, and we're going to right here squeeze off a tiny little bit like that. This is going to be the small wings at the bottom, and these are going to be the big wings at top, so it looks like a real butterfly. So we're going to twist that together there a few times. Careful it doesn't unravel. And then we're going to pull the small ones like this and twist it in to each other like that. Twist it into each other. And now we got the small wings. And now we got the big wings here. We're going to bring down and twist in like that. And then we're going to rearrange the butterfly so that it looks like a butterfly. And now essentially we have a butterfly looking like that. So now we need to do our artwork on it. So we're going to draw some eyes. And I like to do cartoon looking eyes. Draw the pupils. Smiley face. And then we may make little stripes down here at the bottom. And then essentially there, put my marker away, you have your butterfly. And remember, you can learn all my balloon animals at balloonbro.com.